So we've been starting to practice our walking, long distance walking, so we can do our hike at the end of May. And so we've been walking now, it's over 2 hours, and we came up to Westmount, and the snow has finally, as you can tell, the snow is finally gone. A little tired, but we're doing good. My daughter's way ahead of me, but everything is really like muddy and wet in some areas. Oh, I just broke my stick too. But it's so beautiful up here. I could stay hours and hours up here. Erica, find me another stick, babe. Just a little update to tell you that we're starting to practice and work our way up to very long hikes. How's your muddy? You got yourself in, so we're wearing our hiking boots. I'm just wondering if maybe the trail runners are better. Thank you, Erica. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try with my hiking boots. I mean, I've been doing it with my hiking boots all these other times that we went out to train. But I'm gonna see. Maybe I'm gonna try some trail runners and see if that's gonna help and make it easier on the foot. Not that the boot is uncomfortable, but it's so much heavier. You know what they say, a couple of pounds on your feet is an extra 5 pounds on your back. So we're just doing the outer part of the mountain, and then we're going to start heading home, which is going to take us another 2 hours. So all in all, 4 hours today, which is pretty good. And then I'm going to work on my video for my new trail meal that I made. It's finished, it's dehydrated, so I'm going to show you how I bring it back to life. So that's pretty exciting. My daughter's really hot with the jacket she put on today. I'm wearing a small windbreaker. It's not that it's super hot, but when you're walking as much as we've been walking, your body heats up, so a plastic bag was a no-no. But we're still doing it. So hopefully we're going to pull a 4 hour today and get ready for those long days that we're going to be walking. And from where I am, it was all uphill coming up here. Oh, look how beautiful, guys. I don't know if you can see it. It's a little misty, but that's the city of Montreal. Isn't it beautiful? Really, really nice. And without the leaves on the trees, you're able to see so much. So we're just doing the outer part of the mountain. But it still has the ups and downs, which helps us, works our legs because it's not just flat. Coming up here was all uphill. Oh, yeah, I'm still trying to get used to that. A lot easier with the car, that's for sure. But the moss looks so green. I don't know if you can see it. Wherever moss is growing, it's just getting so green and beautiful. Things are starting to grow on the ground. I'm so glad winter is gone. I'm really happy winter is gone. We're going down there, Eric? Hey? That's the trail there. There's some beautiful homes up here. You get to see the nice houses because we're doing the outside of the mountain. The summit. My nose is leaking. My eye is leaking. Look at Erica. You know, I keep looking for mushrooms because now is morel season, but I haven't seen a mushroom yet up here. Not yet. Oh, there's still a little bit of snow here and there. But that's going to be gone by today for sure. So, any of you getting ready for hikes? If you are, tell me what you're doing to train. We have a small knapsack on our backs for now with some weights. You can see one on my daughter. It's a small one, but just to carry some weights in there. So this way, when we put the big bags on our back, we're not going to suffer so much. But we're going to keep increasing it and eventually go out with the big bags on our back. What you looking at? Check, because oysters might start too, eh? Saddlebacks now. That's the one we found, the oysters, yeah. This tree here gives us oysters. You can still see some of the dried mushrooms in there. But now, for sure, springtime, we're going to get saddlebacks. And I'm going to try and put a picture for you guys and show you what the saddleback looks like, or pheasant back. That's another name, dryad saddle. Pheasant back is another name for it. And trust me, you know when you found the mushrooms, because when you go smell it, it smells like watermelon or cucumber. You know what that is. Plus it looks like it has feathers. So I'll put a picture so you guys can see what it looks like. But now's the time for that. If you guys are going out looking for mushrooms, look for the pheasant back, or the other name is a dryad saddle. I hope I'm not shaking you guys around so much. So normally we go all the way around, or we'd go further up in the mountain. But now we're gonna hit the road and start walking home. Just wanna see, what is this? But if you guys start going out, start looking for mushrooms, guys, because now it's morel season. And remember the morels. Oh yeah, I could drink some water, Erica. The morels, you know that it's not a false morel when you cut it in half. And there's my beautiful daughter. And you know when you cut it in half, if it's hollow inside, I'll put a picture for the morels also, guys. Now's the time to look for those. There's black morels, yellow morels, delicious morels. They're one of the most expensive mushrooms if you buy them, and you never really find them fresh, eh, Erica? No. You always find them dry at the store. But if you're lucky, like we were, and you find them, yeah, these are all old shelf mushrooms. But if you're lucky like we were and you find those morels, trust me, when you eat those, you're gonna have an orgasm. So there you go, just a little update of what we're doing. We're gonna be training daily and just building up the stamina and making sure that we could do those long days in the mountain, because we're going to be doing a lot of climbing where we're going. But yeah, it's fun. I'm enjoying it. I have a little cramp in my foot, but I'm enjoying it. We are starting to go down, and we're taking a shortcut, which is basically a whole bunch of stairs that we have to go down. Which is good for our legs. Next time we're gonna run up these stairs. Okay? That should be maybe what, the boulevard? Maybe not. I'm sure there's more stairs going down. You see it? I think there's more stairs going down. My nose is leaking, guys. Can't wait to go home. I think I'm gonna eat it. Oh my God, I'm gonna eat so much. I'm so hungry. Down, down, down we're going. We went all the way up and now we're going all the way down. And there's more going down. Ready? We're gonna go down. That's gonna take us to the boulevard.
No, but don't you want to walk?
Oh yeah, we could go do the stairs.
We're doing a shortcut today then.
So that, well, it's not really a shortcut.
Yeah,
Oh, he's so beautiful.
it is a shortcut.
Oh Lord, look at all the stairs we're going down, down, down. Trust me, we went all the way up. And when you're walking, you know, it doesn't look like much, but when you're walking and you're going uphill, your legs are like screaming bloody murder. Today it was good. I did it without taking a break. I think once when I got to the top, I needed to take some break. See all the stairs? How many stairs? We should have counted the stairs. Hey, Eric? Look how beautiful. You can see the whole city from up here. So nice. Look at that. It's just so nice. This is Montreal, San Francisco. Hey, Erica. And there we go. More stairs to go down. Someone's got a pretty water fountain. So today, instead of taking the roads, we decided we were going to take the stairs down too.
Cheating today.
We're not cheating. Look at all the stairs we're doing, for Pete's sake. You call this cheating?
Yeah.
My calves are killing me. Erica. Soon you're going to have to pick me up at the bottom. My daughter always says, I should record you, Ma. The shit things my mother says. All the all the things my mother said. She said,
Shit my mom said.
yeah, shit my mom says, because I'm nice when I talk in my videos, guys. If you hear me talking, yeah, I'm a little colorful.
Connie.
See? We cut down. We still have to go down. We still, trust me, we're still going down. Look at this guy. He's going to run up. God help him. Oh, for Pete's sake. I see the rest aren't going to run like that guy did.
Oh, fuck off.
Erica. Erica. Do you remember when you were in Marianopolis and you had to do this?
Trying to think of where we...
That way.
Yeah, might as well.
Eh? Or do you want to go down this way and then we can hit... So that's it. Now I'm not going to show you the busy road. But yeah, look at the beautiful homes up here. I can't even tell you how beautiful some of these homes are. And the further you go up, the bigger they are, guys. Anyhow, love you all, and I'll see you in my next video.
For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to Connie's RAWsome Kitchen, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends.